Hi guys, so now that we have moved past our shopping app, let's quickly move on to watching some movies, or rather creating our own movies app. Yes, so we are going to create a movies app using our React JS and Redux JS, and of course some other elements that we will use. Now that being said, let me quickly give you a quick walkthrough on what we are going to create. So the first thing is, you can see this is our movies app. Of course, I'm reusing pretty much the Jumbotron that we had. And let's say we search for a movie called Wonder Woman. So let's do Wonder. And if you like the movie, you select the movie. Now that being said, let's say I want to go for another movie, which is, let's say Spider-Man. And there are many Spider-Man movies that will come in. I like the Spider-Man 3 the most. Let's say I select the Spider-Man 3. Now, whatever I'm selecting, where is it going? Well, there'll be a favorites tab that you can see, and you can see your favorite movies will be added there. So we are going to create all of this using our React.js and Redux.js. We are also going to use routing for our tabs, so that you can see how routing can work in your application along with React.js. And again, all of this data, if you click this movie, it'll open up a new tab. All of this data is coming from the movie DB. So how are we fetching that data in real time so quickly, so fast, with the images, with the ratings, and probably there is a lot of more data that you can use. Again, there is a lot of data that you can actually get from this website, including the celebrities, probably the rating, the budget, etc, etc. Like, I use some of this data in my application. If you see Cool Movie Bytes, you will see a lot of this information is coming from there. In fact, the most important information for me is the images that you see out here. So I do not create the images, I do not store the images, they are actually coming from this database. So once I open the image, of course, this is how the Cool Movie Bytes website looks like, and that's what I have been using. So I will show you how to use it in your own movies app using the APIs that they provide, and probably creating your own movies app version. Now, if you are excited about this, yes, there is a lot of content in the videos that should get you excited. But if you have been working and stretching continuously, I would recommend take a 4 or 5 minute pause, freshen up, and get back to the course. And from the next course onwards, we will start our development. So I'll see you in the next class.